Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and try cooking an ear of corn a new way. I haven't tried this before and I saw it on the internet. So you're going to take an ear like this, pop it in the microwave, and for about 4.5 minutes and see what happens. Put it. So for 4.5 minutes, I'm going to hit the go. See what happens. 4.5 minutes are just about up, and I'm gonna see how this looks. Ooh. Be a one-handed cameraman and chef all at the same time. So, outer skin looks pretty wilted, which is, I guess, to be expected. So, how hot is that? Not use my hand. Okay, so now you're supposed to just cut off this end here and squeeze it out. So you can see I just cut it with this blade here, and wow, this is what I end up with. There we go. Now for the moment of truth. Hot. Supposedly this comes out, leaves the silk. Whoa. There you go. Yeah, it worked. All the silk is in the garbage. Corn's cooked. And the corn came out pretty good. It was cooked all the way through, maybe a little bit too cooked, or maybe it's the technique. It was just a little bit soft. You know, you have to decide for yourself if the way it came out is worth what you save in cleanup. I'm going to try it again sometime soon and maybe give it 4 minutes instead of 4.5 and see if that makes a difference.